Everyone's a photographer. Everyone's an artist in their own way, or, you know, everyone has the opportunity to express themselves. No one's exempt. It's an extraordinary thing. It's only very recent history that we can actually freeze a moment and have it right there without having to spend hours painting it. Winning 2 world titles and you know, travelling around the tour, and it was just a super exciting time. I think photography was just, it enabled me to engage with a bit bigger world. I think I didn't really like shooting surfing. From time to time I would, or I'd shoot people around it, but I'd like to get away from it. So it was actually offering me another world. I've always looked through a frame. You know, I've always seen sort of frame things. And once I got a camera, you know, in front of my eye and I looked through the lens, I realised that's what was happening, you know, that I could look through, and I loved the idea of focusing, you know, focusing on a part of what was in the frame. So when I go through all my old photographs, it brings up all the emotion, brings up all that stuff, and I get happy, sad, I get the whole lot, and I get to sort of feel that emotion. I think that's really special. This photo is of Pedra Branca. It's rocks in the middle of the ocean, and this one in particular is special because we surfed off it with a storm surfers mission down there off Tasmania. It was crazy, yeah. It's ancient and wild and it's beautiful. And yeah, that's what I get out of it.